Today, you will learn how to make bubble letters in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, we need a bubble style font. You can get free bubble fonts from these trusted websites. DAW Font, try the font Bubblegum. Font Space, try the font Balloons. 1001 Fonts, try the font Ghost Meat. Go to any of these sites, search the font name, and click Download. The font will download as a zip file. After downloading, double-click the zip file to extract it. Open the extracted folder. You'll see a font file, TrueType or OpenType. Right-click the font file and click Open. Click Install at the top. That's it. If Word was already open, close it and open it again so the new font appears. Now, open Microsoft Word. Go to the Home tab. Open the Font drop-down. Find your newly installed bubble font. Type anything you want, and you'll see instant bubble letters. Bubble letters look much better with colors. Select your text, go to Home, then Font Color. Choose any bright color you like. You can match this with your poster, worksheet, or kids' material theme. This is where the magic happens. Select the text, go to Home, then Text Effects. Try options like Shadow, Glow, Reflection. For a real bubble look, choose Inner Shadow, then go to Shadow Options. Open 3D Format. In Top Bevel, choose Round. Now your letters will look puffy and 3D, like real bubbles. You can also use Insert, then WordArt for stylish bubble headings. Increase font size for poster-style text. Combine multiple colors for kids' worksheets. Use bubble letters for titles, charts, flashcards, and covers. Now you know how to download, install, and create amazing bubble letters in Word, plus how to make them colorful and 3D. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more beginner-friendly Word tutorials on this channel.